Welcome to my channel Lab Activity Y. Today we are going to make white precipitate with using sodium sulfate and barium chloride. First I am taking both salts in two beakers, separate beakers. 2 teaspoons of I am taking sodium sulfate and barium chloride. Next I am keeping cap for that to be safe. Next, these two are solid form, so they will not react. So I am adding some amount of water to barium chloride and sodium sulfate also. After adding water, I am going to use a glass rod to mix the water and barium chloride properly. After mixing properly, I am taking sodium sulfate and I am mixing that also. Here sodium sulfate plus barium chloride gives rise to barium sulfate and sodium chloride. Barium sulfate is white precipitate. Let's start to do. First I am taking a conical flask. I am going to add sodium sulfate in it. After I am adding sodium sulfate, next I am going to add barium chloride also. You can see the formation of white precipitate. Again we can see when I am adding barium chloride, it's react with sodium sulfate and forming barium sulfate and sodium chloride. Barium sulfate is white precipitate, milky white precipitate we call as. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.